All right. So, where are we going, Big Daddy?
We're going to Blue Ridge, Georgia for your 30th birthday adventure.
Yeah, but right now we are heading to...
Oh, we're going to Tennessee first.
We're going to Tennessee. We're going to the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. I do have my park pass, but you know, no trip is complete without some Dunkin'. We stopped at Dunkin' Donuts and Panera Bread. We got some bagels here. We're about to eat in the car real quick and then head on the road.
And some Panera Bread.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm not supposed to quit my job.
Oh, don't quit your job, babe.
I'm definitely not doing that.
Also, we're thinking about selling our house and getting a different house, so...
I ain't thinking about it. We gonna do that.
We might. The mountain.
Maybe we can get a rental out here. Like actually buy a luxury cabin rental and then put it on Airbnb.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Look, you guys.
We can show Jasper and then when we get back.
Yeah. You know what? If we get a house, I would want something like that outside of our house. I'm not kidding. So we're at Great Smoky Mountain National Park.
We got in this thing for free.
We got in here. Yeah, I'm gonna be kind of upset if like they don't ask us for this park pass. Like we've been driving and driving. We've gone through the park, but we haven't gotten to like I guess a gate where any like other parking or something would be. But it's really beautiful, as you can see. There's lots of places to like pull over and take pictures. There's like creeks over there. It's really nice.
I suggest you don't stand on here like I did, because you know, something might happen to you. Don't want nothing to happen to you.
All right now, all right, life insurance. Yeah, I feel like this kind of does it justice, but you can't really see like all the pretty orange and everything over there. It's so beautiful.
If we walk over here, I think it'd be better.
You think?
Yeah, because we're on that building down there.
Okay. I hate to say it, but I'm a little underwhelmed at this park, but we're gonna stop and eat our lunches at this picnic area here. We got some Panera before we left. So, this is our spread. I'm still eating.
You gonna finish that?
Yeah. Child, we in the middle of nowhere. We have only seen 2 other Negroes, and they were in the car driving alongside us.
That's a nice little cabin.
We low-key scared. Driving up some hill.
I don't know where we're going. I mean, I do know where we're going.
Well, we hope we know where we're going. Excuse me.
Whoa.
I thought I was going around it.
Oh my goodness.
I was trying to go around it.
Y'all see? See? Prime example of that video I posted on Facebook.
And then how, you know, how will this work if a car is trying to come up this hill at the same time, you know?
It's GG to the other car. Whoa.
This ain't it. It's a one-time visit thing.
I kind of want to go home.
Or let's just see when we get there. Let's just see when we get there. We're gonna stick it out. We gotta have the experience. That's anxiety for us, right? Talking about you want to go home. You don't want to go home.
You got me out in the middle of nowhere, driving up a mountain that I ain't never been on. Hey, it's 90% white folks out here.
Literally, we looked at the census. Now, this is kind of scary. Coming up, oh my God, coming up this far. How do we get down? Is this the only way down? Well, no, we can go off Lucius Road. Oh my Lord.
Maybe that's what he said. He need to go on Lucius Road instead of this. Cause Hancock Road or whatever road we on right now, this ain't it. Okay. Here go a little cabin. Okay. Little mountains in the background. A little cabin. Little cabinese.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, just.
Lord Jesus. Shut up. Oh, I know you lying. I think we gotta go down this hill. Does it look like we turn or no?
Yeah, we're making a left right here.
Oh.
No, this ain't bad.
It looked like it's... Babe. Okay. This look real steep.
Just drive slow.
I'm not driving fast. I'm trying to get down this thing. How nice of them to put all those rocks there. Oh yeah, this ain't so bad.
I feel like I'm on the Goliath.
Shut up. Child. Yeah, we're coming in off Lucius Road when we get back. Anything coming?
No, you good. Look nice.
Yeah, it actually is really pretty. Shoot, we finna get a photo shoot out here.
No, we ain't. We finna go get to this cabin and then go eat. Watch out this dip. Oh my goodness, you almost
Where's
hit
the
it.
dip, babe? All the dip is in that bag.
I think we're almost there.
I hope so. It's 0.6 miles. Child. Oh yeah, we could definitely go walking out here though, you know?
I'm definitely okay.
What?
Child, you try to get me killed. Come outside of the cabin. What we gonna see? We gonna see them boys. Them boys gonna be waiting on us with their robes
I know
on.
you lying. Okay.
Arrowhead pass. We're gonna.
Help me.
Yeah, you got it.
Help me.
Start turning.
I can't really see. I'm going down. Okay, I'm going.
Just hold your brake.
Okay.
Hold your brake.
Okay, I see now. Thanks.
This here.
Sure. Yeah, okay.
Okay, slow down.
What are my brakes getting out?
Why would you say that right here? Look, I don't ever want to be up here arguing with you.
Okay. Okay, Matt, while I'm driving.
Listen.
Stop! Stop yelling! It says it's up ahead on the left. Is this it? This is it. Is this it?
No, keep straight.
This is 460. Oh, it's coming up. I think this is it.
No, it's all the way down.
You sure?
Read the radar.
Leave me alone. Wait.
Whoa. The food. Look, this is the radar. She told us that we kind of turn right. We ain't even nowhere near. Or we're near.
That's just the focus. 465. This is it.
Are you sure?
465 Arrowhead Pass. Yep, this is it. Shut up. Where are we gonna park the car? I'm gonna just park the car here. This is where we're gonna park the car. I'm gonna back into it. How about that? Shut up.
Pull up some more.
Oh, I got it.
Child, she ain't got it. Is this 465 parking drive right here? Parking drive. Jeez. Turn it to the right. I mean the
now?
left. The left.
Left?
Yeah. Child, just stop right here. This is good, child.
All right.
Child, this is good.
We're here.
You still want me to keep filming? Or maybe we should go inside first. You sure this is it? What if we're at the wrong place?
Stop the footage right here because actually right after the footage ended, we could hear the neighbors, like these old couple outside, being intimate, and that combined with being in the middle of nowhere with no signal and not being around anyone else that looked like us, we basically ended up leaving 30 minutes after that and just having a staycation.